let's check if your SMTP server is able to send email into your inbox within 1 minute. Let's get into it. Welcome to SaaS Media today. If you want to take content, why are you not subscribing? Hit the subscribe button and like this video. Now let's quickly jump into it. So we are going to use this tool called SMTP, right? Yes, SMTP.net, right? So we are going to enter our SMTP details into this, and I'm going to quickly do that in a short possible of time. I'll be back. All right, so I have quickly keyed in my SMTP details. So the first you can see over here is the host or the SMTP server. Okay, so it could be your host name. Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy, and also I have a video on this channel that will teach you how to use VPS server to create an SMTP server. Right, that's cool. So you just have to enter your host name here, then your port, okay, and make sure you use the secured connection and use authentication. Then you enter your email address, then the password of that email address. Then you just enter your email over here and the email address you are going to send your test email to. Right, good. Then after that, just click on send and let's wait for the magic to happen. All right, so as you can see, mail successfully sent. So let's go and check our inbox, or let's check our email, whether it landed in the spam box or the inbox. Let's head to it. All right, so as you can see, this is test email. Okay, so this is a test email. So this is how you can test if your SMTP is able to send email into the inbox or the spam box. So you can see it is in the inbox. Okay, yes, this is the inbox. When I go to the spam box, you can see it is not here, it is inside the inbox. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. If you want to learn how you can create an SMTP server that will land in the inbox, I have a course on Udemy, and also I have a video here on YouTube. Make sure you check it out. So I'll leave all links at the description and also at the first comment. Make sure you check it out. Please subscribe, give me some like, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.